What is good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel. I'm your host, Big Dre. As you know, this channel is all about crypto, the metaverse, and football. So if you like any of those things, please hit that subscribe button down below. For this video, we're going to try and get 5 likes. Simply just 5 likes. And this video is just going to literally be about Boss Token because you guys have been requesting for it, you've been asking for it. I've been a bit busy, so I haven't been able to make videos as much as I would like to. So this is going to be a quick update video. So I've messaged Mr. Zero Waiting on Twitter. He hasn't got back to me regarding anything, updates on Boss Token. He hasn't said anything, so I can't give you an update on that front. However, for those of you who are saying that Boss Token's dead, stop worrying. I did say this in my previous video. I said if history repeats itself, which it has done since the coin has been here, it's sustained it for like 18 days and then dropped. 18 days and then dropped. And I did say in my previous video, if history repeats itself, it will drop down again. So now, if you're not new to crypto, you're probably very worried. However, this is the normal life cycle of a coin. Yeah, this is the life cycle. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down. It's not going to always be the same price. So right now, I think it was at 1.3. It was like 13,000 or whatever it was at the time when I checked last. Which is obviously a major difference because it was at 3, like 30,000 whatever. Which is obviously a big difference. But guys, don't worry about it. This is what happens. Of course, we're still waiting for him to release Boss Track, which we do know is in the works, is coming. We just don't know when it's coming, but it's coming. And for those of you who are worried about your money, you're losing loads of money and all that sort of stuff, the only thing I've got to say to you is invest what you're willing to lose. So if you're putting 10 grand into this, that's not a very smart move to make. Yeah, if 10 grand is not peanuts to you, don't put 10 grand. Right, does that make sense? So literally invest what you're willing to lose. So you put in maybe $50 or something like that, and you just leave it there. If you lose it, it's nothing, it's only 50 quid. If it becomes something, that 50 quid could turn into a grand, you never know. But yeah guys, that's pretty much an update video. There's not much to talk about because there hasn't been much going on other than the fact that crypto in general has been crashing because of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's been rallying, as I said, from the start of the year, but from August, when everyone's predictions of Bitcoin going to 100k, 150k, I said it's not gonna happen. I said I don't even think we're gonna hit 70k because it's just unrealistic. It's not data driven. So all these predictions are just people being optimistic and it's emotional. Whereas I like data. Yeah. At the end of the day, we gotta look at something that's realistic. I'm looking at data, look at the trends. All right, so far so good for Boss Token. As I said, guys, stop worrying about it. It's dropped, just like I told you it would. It will pick up again. However, the whole market's in a crash at the moment, so don't think anything too crazy of it. Alright, so it's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. And as I said, let's get 5 likes for this video. Remember, it's in the sauce. Just buy the dip.